EmpowermentCoachAcademy.com with Louise and Maurice.
Do you have all of the missing pieces to this triangle, right? This pyramid? Yeah, it's okay if you don't, because as we continue on with the next section, you are going to learn that. But as you can see, right, this is something where you have already learned so much just in this introductory section. And it is about developing you into that master life coach that can get out there and really connect with people, right? So you've learned about the psychology, the people, you've learned about simple promotion, right? Just in lecture 2, a simple promotion that you might not think about. And don't overlook that, right? So you haven't done that. Again, in the next lecture, I've got the frequently asked questions. So you want to check out how to do that and take advantage, right? Because this is something where, as a life coach, all of the help that you can get will move you forward in a direction that's aligned with who you are meant to be and who you are meant to serve. But did you get a chance to complete the assignment, right? Yeah, the assignment, again, if you are on a laptop or computer taking the course, you would be able to access that. But, you know, the quiz and the assignment, if you're on a mobile or a tablet, you can't access that. So if I'm referring to that, that's probably why. But yeah, I mean, reading some of the responses from the assignment, people have a lot of great insight. And don't worry, I know everyone always feels like, well, what if I get the wrong answer or if I make a mistake? You can. It's the response that resonates with you. And when you start to trust yourself, right, that's when you become that empowered life coach, right? Empowerment life coach is about just accepting you and accepting your greatness. Sometimes I think that we don't see our greatness, and it is my intention as you continue on through this course that you see that not just in yourself, but you see that in other people as well. You start to focus on what is exceptional about them and what's exceptional about you. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Right? You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be your exceptional best so that you can hold that space for others to be the same. But it all starts with you. So as we continue on, we're going to be touching more of these pieces, right? Of the 10 Ps. And in the next section, be, really dissecting that pyramid and looking at all of the different pieces. So if you didn't get it right or you filled in just a little bit of it, we're going to continue on and share with you a little bit more about psychology and people and, the process, and give you some insight into the procedures as well. Are you ready? Let's continue.